afternoon, Richard Allen's attorneys asked the judge to postpone Monday's hearing in the Delphi murders case.
On Monday, Special Judge Fran Gull is scheduled to hear arguments about finding Allen's defense attorneys in contempt of court. Allen is charged with the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi in 2017 near the Monon High Bridge. CBS 4's Russ McQuaid has an exclusive look at a new motion filed late today asking for a delay of that hearing.
Allen's attorneys are already on the hot seat over the alleged leak of sensitive crime scene photographs to social media followers. And this motion today is just another twist in a very confusing case. Attorneys Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rosie face a contempt hearing Monday in front of Special Judge Fran Gull, partially over their handling of crime scene evidence that was leaked to social media Delphi followers last fall. An attorney representing Baldwin and Rosie argues that the defense team just came into possession of interviews the Indiana State Police did with those social media posters and hasn't had time to verify their claims or conduct their own interviews. One claim not verified alleges a social media follower is aware that someone hired a private investigator to tail Carroll County prosecutor Nicholas McLeland. The defense's recounting of the state police investigation alleges a trooper told social media posters they would face contempt of court charges if they did not cooperate, and a man in Fishers took his own life after talking to the trooper. While the attorneys are seeking more time to prepare a defense against their own contempt of court hearing, they also argue that the prosecutor and Judge Gull should recuse themselves from the case due to their own biases or lateness of filing a complaint. The contempt hearing is still on for Monday morning, yet Monday afternoon there is another hearing scheduled for exculpatory evidence, that is, evidence the defense team claims the state hasn't turned over that could help them prove their client innocent of the charges. I'm Russ McQuaid reporting from the newsroom.